Thank you for watching this video. I am going to bring you either tips, helps, or something that I have found on the web in this video. So stay tuned and please subscribe. Also, I have some affiliate offers down below. Click those, and we appreciate all those that have supported us and are coming along with us. Stay tuned for the video. This is JJ Media. We'll be right back. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. We all know that email lists are very important to any business that you do, whether it be brick and mortar or online marketing. And today I want to bring you an option that some may not really know about. We all know of Aweber, Constant Contact, MailChimp, which I use MailChimp exclusively, but I've actually also been using, I say exclusively, but I've been with MailChimp ever since they started, or very soon after they started. And one of the things that I have found that there are always companies that you can find, and one of the companies that I found is MailerLite. MailerLite.com. It is another free email service. They do have paid, but I want to show you this, and I know the title of it is about how to set up an email list, but I kind of just did that for keywords, and it's to show you another option. So MailerLite.com. Features. It is, you can create amazing campaigns, drag and drop editor, rich text, custom HTML, newsletter templates, and e-commerce campaigns. To grow your subscriber list this does not matter. Again, if you are a brick and mortar, it's important to get emails. The thing about, let me take a side note here. One of the things that about brick and mortar, or even online, when you have the email list, those are your customers. And I know you're probably doing ads if you're an online marketer or an online brick and mortar. You do ads on YouTube and Facebook and Google ads, and they limit you, but your email list is yours. So grow your subscriber list, landing page, pop-ups, embedded forms, subscriber management. You can deliver the right message, and you can actually set this up, set a funnel up that if someone subscribes, then you can send certain things out, and you can have different groups, personalization, segmentation, which means you can segment your email list to the certain demographic or certain things. Promotion pop-ups, optimize campaigns. You can do A/B split testing, which is important. Deliver by time zone, auto resend, and a lot of times this is what this segmentation can do. Auto resend is, say a person subscribes to your list, you have the autoresponder, shoot out to them, and a week later they still have not opened the email. Well, you can have it automatically set up to auto resend to that specific list, those on your list that did not open it up. Then you can track your results. And so let's go to the pricing. This is the thing I like. You have 1,000 subscribers, you can do free. And this is good for actually testing new businesses and even new people that are into email marketing. And the great thing about it is you can actually their pricing is very good. You can do 12,000 emails a month, so that would be 12 emails. That'd be 4 emails or 3 emails a week to your subscribers. So that's if you had 1,000. If you do pay the $10, it's unlimited emails. So this is very, very affordable. 15, 30, and 50, the most from 5,000 to 10,000. You can see full pricing, but okay, let's go to the gallery. Let's go ahead and open up some of the templates or some of the examples that they show. It doesn't matter there again if you're an online or a online marketer or a brick and mortar. They do have different things that you can do. You can customize it. Let's go ahead and one of the things that's nice is you can actually do a landing page. That way you can do a link directly from your website to the landing page, a nice landing page. That way you can just strictly focus on getting their name and email and then sending them info. Build that relationship. That's key. Automations. Here are some cool automations. You can do a full email series, email courses, training, lead magnet email sequence. And this is one I've been looking at trying to really focus on. Automated birthday email. Your subscribers sign up. If you get their email, their birthday, it's building that relationship, and I need to really work on that. Okay, let me go ahead and log in here. And one of the things that I will say, of course, I haven't really used this extensively to its maximum, and I set up a campaign for a customer I had several years ago and have not marketed it at all. And it consistently, I know some of you don't think this is very good, but it consistently brings in 2 to 6 email subscribers a month. But let me just show you what you have here. You have the subscribers list, and you can go down and you can dig in a little bit more with the subscribers list. Let's go ahead and click here. And the nice thing about it is it pulls out the emails that are sent. It's pretty cool. Segments. It pulls up the different things, and one of the things never open 21 of them. Okay, let's go to group stats, and it pulls up your web email, the reading environment, where they come from, and their different email, where they subscribed, and their email client. So it gives you, this is all the free things. In the custom fields, of course, I don't have any. If you did have some, it would show you exactly what is offered and actually what they've clicked. Okay, the forms. This is one. This gives a good overview of the different forms that you have, and it shows the stats of how many visitors, and let's see here. Okay, let's go down to this one, and that's not a real good conversion, but the average is it's still right about average, 3%. And don't have those. Let's go to the sites. Okay, don't really have a whole lot, and there again, I have not really pushed this. So the one thing that I have done, here's another one that I set up for myself, that a lot of people have been joining up. So, and then auto responders, it gives the all the stats. So just wanted to show you this, and I would highly recommend it. And I'm not going to actually, I'm not an affiliate. I mean, they have an affiliate program, but I'm not an affiliate. So just wanted to show you this program, Mailer Lite. It is another option for your email list. So hope you've enjoyed this. I know it's kind of been rambling a little bit, but take a look at it, and you can set it up, and I hope you enjoy it. So have a good day. Make sure that you subscribe to our email list below. Check out our offers, our affiliate offers in our description, and link up with us on our social media. So have a good day, and we will see you in the next video.